Good morning, student. This lecture is for 8th class student. This chapter first from English grammar. So student, today we will discuss D part from page number 8. Transform the following assertive sentences into interrogative sentences. So first of all, do you know what is transformation of sentences? I think you have already read in the previous classes transformation of sentences. So first I will explain transformation of sentences. Yeah, you can say transformation of sentence means changing its form without altering its sense. जब हम सेंटेंस की ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन करते हैं तो हम उसकी फॉर्म को चेंज कर सकते हैं, लेकिन उसके सेंस को चेंज नहीं कर सकते. सो इट मीन्स वी कैन से द सेम थिंग इन डिफरेंट वे. हम उसी चीज़ को डिफरेंट वे में, डिफरेंट फॉर्म में राइट कर सकते हैं, एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं, बट वी कांट चेंज इट्स सेंस. लेकिन उसकी सेंस को हम चेंज नहीं कर सकते. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट हाउ टू transform the following assertive sentences into interrogative sentences. First one is Ariel went to the movie. Ariel went to the movie. He had a lot of work to do. Now first one, Ariel went to the movies. Ariel movies के लिए गया. Went कौन सी फॉर्म है यहाँ पे? सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. जब सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब होती है इट मीन्स वो कौन सा टेंस होता है? दैट इज पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस. इन पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस, इन assertive sentence we use second form, and interrogative sentence we use helping verb. In past indefinite tense we use helping verb did. If we use did, then we use main verb first form. Okay, so this is assertive sentence we change into interrogative sentence. That's why without changing its sense, changing its meaning, we can change the form of the sentence. How can we write? First one, didn't apostrophe didn't Ariel go, because with helping verb did we use first form of the verb. Go to the movies. In the last write punctuation mark, sign of interrogation. Next one, he had a lot of work to do. He had ये क्या है? Have, had second form of the verb. Then didn't, he has a lot of work to do. Now sign of interrogation. Now second sentence, Jack is a brilliant boy. Jack एक ब्रिलियंट बॉय है, तो इसमें हेल्पिंग वर्ब कौन सी लगी हुई है? हमारे पास इज लगी हुई है. दिस इज assertive सेंटेंस चेंज इनटू इंटरोगेटिव विदाउट अल्टरिंग इट्स सेंस. इसकी सेंस को चेंज किए बिना हमने इसको इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस में ट्रांसफॉर्म करना है. वी कैन राइट इजंट जैक अ ब्रिलियंट boy, sign of interrogation. Next one, he has won several honors. Honors means सम्मान. तो इसमें है हमारे पास has plus third form of the verb. This is present perfect tense. We change into interrogative. Has, hasn't he, third form of the verb, won several honors. Sign of interrogation. Number third, Mark didn't get the job. Mark को job नहीं मिला. This is negative sentence. So we use it in positive sense. Did Mark did not get the job means did Mark get the job. He lacked the necessary qualification. He lacked second form of the verb. Then use didn't. Didn't he lack first form of the verb. Lack. Didn't he lack the necessary qualification. Qualifications. Now Harry is a baseball player. Is here. Then start interrogative sentence. Isn't Harry. Number 4. Isn't Harry a baseball player. Next, he is known all over the world. उसे पूरे वर्ल्ड में जाना जाता है. Isn't he known all over the world? Isn't he known over the world? Sign of interrogation. Next, Naomi was happy. Helping verb was, and she reached Delhi. Reached second form of the verb. It means this is past tense. First, Naomi was happy. Wasn't Naomi. N-A-O-M-I. Naomi happy. Sign of interrogation. She reached Delhi. Means didn't she reach Delhi? Sign of interrogation. Number 6. The bread was on the table. Bread table पर थी. It means wasn't the bread. Wasn't the bread on the table? Sign of interrogation. Then the dog saw the bread. Didn't the dog see the bread? Sign of interrogation. I use here did because second form is given. Saw. Number 7. He failed in the competition. Second form is also given. Then use did. Didn't he fail? First form of the verb. Didn't he fail in the competition? competition. Sign of interrogation. He did not study. This is negative statement. We use positive statement in interrogative. Didn't means didn't study, means did he study? Sign of interrogation. Number 8. I went there. Second form is given. Use did. Didn't I go there? Sign of interrogation. The door was locked. Means wasn't the door locked? This is passive voice sentence. Was plus third form of the verb is given. Now number 9. 9. We got little rain this year. We got little rain this year. The crops have dried up. Means now 9 or 10. We got little rain this year. The crops have dried up. And 10. She's scared of darkness. She always carries a torch at night. So both the sentences, do practice, do yourself for homework. And revise all sentences and do in your fair notebook. Thank you.